Here are some treasures you may have lying around your house. 1. Don't throw away your empty laundry detergent bottle. Heat a nail and poke a hole in the lid, and one for a handle. You've just made a watering can that can control the water flow. 2. After each dishwashing, leftovers can easily clog your drain. Cut open a beverage bottle and melt some small holes in the bottom and 2 on the sides. Attach a hook to the side of your sink and hang the prepared bottle. Now you don't have to worry about your drain getting clogged. 3. Put a mask over the end of your hairdryer, then half of a plastic bottle over that. Turn on the cold air and it instantly becomes a mini vacuum cleaner. Dust and crevices can be easily sucked out, and it's easy to clean. 4. If your fridge is too crowded, cut an empty oil can into 3 sections and stack your bowls and chopsticks. This way, your fridge can fit more, and the items won't cross-contaminate. 5. You can make a cup dispenser like this. Put a cup over the mouth of a bottle, cut the top of the cup into a tassel shape, then cut open the bottom of the cup but not completely. Poke a hole on the side and hang it on the wall. Insert paper cups to test it out. 6. First, fill a bottle with oil, then remove the squeaking cap and attach it to the body of the bottle. Now you've got a super handy oil can that can control the oil flow well. You can squeeze as much as you need without making a mess. 7. Cut off the top half of a bottle and place it over a bag of rice. Twist the bag closed. This way, pouring rice is much easier. 8. Don't throw away your empty dish soap bottle. Cut it according to the lines in the video. Now you've got a shelf to dry your cutting board. No more worries about it getting moldy. 9. If your washing machine's drain pipe is too short and water splashes everywhere, cut a hole in a plastic bottle, insert the washing machine's outlet into the bottle, and place the bottle at the drain. Now, water won't splash out. 10. Cut a bottle in the middle, poke corresponding holes on both sides, insert straws and a coil, poke more holes at the top. This chic needle and thread holder is ready to go. Follow me for more life hacks.